Hello, good morning, or yeah, it's still morning over here, but I'm going to show you how to make a chorizo. It's going to be really easy to make, and you just need a few ingredients. And I like making my own chorizo because a lot of the chorizos have a lot of additives to them. So I'm going to show you how to make it really quick. Sorry I'm not measuring. A lot of people are asking me to what measurement. I say to your palate, so whatever you like, that's basically what I would suggest. So I like putting some Cajun seasoning in there. Now what's that? That's about what? A good teaspoon and a half. So it's going to have Cajun seasoning. I'm going to put some thyme in there because I like thyme. So I'm going to put that's about a nice teaspoon of thyme, and then coriander. Coriander is cilantro seeds, so seeds of the cilantro. So that's about a half teaspoon, and then I'm going to put some chipotle because I like that smoky flavor of chipotle. That's about a half teaspoon. Now I'm going to put some comino, about maybe anywhere between a quarter and a half. And then I'm going to put some, I'm trying to find it. Oh, some celery. Okay, smoked paprika. Okay, I found some more spices here. So a little bit of celery. Now if you want to put some fennel in there, you can. It'll give it a sausage flavor. About a half teaspoon. And then this is smoked paprika. I'd say about a teaspoon. And then some salt, because I like having salt, and that's about what? A teaspoon. And some New Mexico. So I have two kinds of New Mexico powders. I don't know how that happened, but I thought, oh well, they're different. So I think it's a miss. This looks like pasilla. So I'm going to put like a nice teaspoon and a half of that. And then I'm going to put some New Mexico. Now if you have some California chili, New Mexico's a little bit spicier. So this is going to be spicy, and I'll put 2 teaspoons of New Mexico, and then I'm going to put some garlic. Some garlic in there, about a half a teaspoon of garlic, and then I'm going to put about half teaspoon of onion, or maybe a teaspoon of onion, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Excuse me. I just mix it up with a fork. Okay. So the chicken, ground chicken, already has some fat in there. So, and that's what I like doing. So just kind of mix it up a little bit there. Gives it that nice, ooh. And it looks like it needs a little bit more chilies in there. But I'm going to smell it. And how I know, and you can test this on a skillet. You just get a flat skillet. Oops. Well, okay. You get a flat skillet like that. Oops, sorry. So you get a flat skillet and you cook it. And that's how we learned in our culinary training class. So you cook it. Oh, it smells so good, doesn't it? Yeah. And see the color? That's a chorizo. That's what you want. You want that kind of color. And like I said, you can put some fennel in there, but I put the celery instead, so I'm getting lazy. And plus, I don't have my grinder with me right now. And I think I'm going to put some more. Oh, I'm going to put some sumac in there. So yeah, put a little bit of sumac, which is a ground berry. Yeah, give it a little different. You can make your own chorizo however you want to make it. Yeah. And that's how you make a chorizo in my book. Okay. If you want to put some oils in there, you can, but I'm not going to because I'll put the oils when I'm cooking it. Okay, so Oh, yeah, that smells good. So you want it a little bit more spicy. I think I'm going to put a little bit more chipotle in there. Yeah, I think I want that chipotle flavor. Or I want more of a chipotle smokiness in there. And that's how you make a chorizo. Yep, that's it. Okay, on the next one, I'll show you how to cook it. All right.